Today, you're going to get familiar with Adobe Illustrator's Workspace so you can see your best designs come to life. You will not only be able to smell the success of your work, but taste it too. Grab your mouse and let's begin. Open Adobe Illustrator. Take a look at the top section. That is your menu bar. The toolbar is located on the left. This is what you will use to create your stunning designs. The Properties panel is on the right. These two parts of Illustrator can be moved by clicking the top and moving them around. Then there is the design area itself, which is right in the middle. Press and hold the second tool. More tools will appear on the right. If you're wondering what other tools have more tools to be chosen from, take a look at the toolbar. Some tools have little arrows in the bottom right corner. That means if you click and hold, more tools will appear. The panel has options to change things like color, position, size, stroke, word, and more. You can click on the panel's two arrows in the top right to hide it. Then click the arrows again to make it appear. The next part of the Properties panel is the Layers library. It shows how content in the document is ordered. To add more options to the Properties panel, click Windows, scroll down to see Property panel. There will be a check mark on whatever is open in the Properties panel. Click on a new panel like Stroke. It will be inserted into the screen as a floating panel. You can add this new panel to the rest of the panels by clicking and dragging. These skills will put you at an advantage when making breathtaking digital art. Knowing these skills is the difference between making a flat apple and a juicy, delicious, crisp, crunchy apple. Thank you so much for watching and happy creating. I'll see you next time.